Alright, in this video we're doing problem number 2 on the review. Alright, this time it's 3 halves x minus 1 equals negative 10. Now there's several ways we could do this. We've been talking about finding a common denominator, so I could multiply 5 to each term and then do it that way. Or I can just do the simple change 3/5 to a decimal and then have 0.6x minus 1 equals negative 10. Or I can just do the move everything over as before. I'm going to go ahead and do it like I've been doing in class. So we're actually going to add 1 to both sides. Alright, let me start all over again real quick. We have to ask what's our variable. Our variable is x, and what is being done to x? It's being multiplied by 3/5 and subtracted by 1. So we get rid of what first? We get rid of the subtract 1 first, so we're going to do the opposite, which is add 1 to both sides. And so when we do this, we bring down our 3/5 x. This becomes our zero pair, and negative 10 plus 1 is going to give me a negative 9. Now, there's several ways we could do this. We could say 3/5 x, and we know that if we wanted to, it's being multiplied to the variable, when we would divide both sides by 3/5. But there is a little bit of a shortcut here. And the shortcut is that when you actually divide, and I'm going to show you here, if we divide anything with a fraction, we usually keep the first one, change the division to a times, and then we flip it. So otherwise we multiply the reciprocal. So why don't we go ahead and multiply the reciprocal to both sides first? Skip all the other steps. Remember, the 9 is really over 1. So 5 times 3 is 15, divided by 15 is 1. So we got 1 times x, which is x. Negative 9 times 5 is a negative 45. And that is 1 times 3 is 3. So x equals a negative 15.